Thank you for purchasing SureG GPS drone. This product is built with dual mode positioning system, equipped with high precision gyroscope, setting it height with barometer, achieving consistency and super stability during flight. Friendly user control setting from single key takeoff and landing to every aspect of control within your fingertip. GPS function allows smooth alignment and signal search. Stable hovering. Automatic recording at takeoff. Same time come with the below features. 1. Low battery signal, return to starting point. 2. Remote control, return to starting point. 3. Drone out of range, lose frequency, automatically return to controlled range or return to starting point. The Wi-Fi real-time image transmission with 120-degree camera view, adjustable 90-degree angle camera, adjusting of the angle remote control, experiencing the feel of a camera on your fingertip, and record the wonderful moment of flight instantly. Once the Follow Me function is activated, the camera now faces you automatically. No matter where you go, it will follow you within the range. Enjoy the infinite thrill of flying and shooting. List of products. Preparation before flight. Pairing. Step to note. 1. Turn on the drone. 2. Turn on remote control. 3. Press the left joystick up, then pull it down. When all lights become slowly blinking, means pairing successfully. You can connect the Wi-Fi at this time to view the current drone status on the app, or wait until after GPS is calibrated. Gyroscope calibration. 1. Press the left joysticks to 11 and right joystick to 1 o'clock. Camera will move up and down automatically. It means gyroscope calibrated is successful. GPS calibration. 1. Press the left joysticks to 1 and right joystick to 11 o'clock position to initiate GPS compass calibration. You will note front light white, red, alternate blinking. Back light blue, red, alternate blinking. Place the drone on flat ground. Pick drone up and rotate 360 degree. Then hold the drone face down and rotate one full circle 360 degree and back white light blinking. Set drone back down to ground surface. Is now starting to search the GPS signal. When the front white lights and back blue lights become solid lights, GPS calibration is successful. Basic function demonstration. Takeoff and landing button. Short press the button to take off with auto hover. Short press the button to land down. Long press for 3 seconds to emergency stop. For 90 degree and pull out the landing rack. First, put on the side without the buckle. Turn inside for 90 degree and fasten the other side of the buckle. Battery. Press the middle plastic buckle. Take out the battery.